Xiaomi sub-brand Poco launched its latest phone on 7 September, the Poco X3 NFC. As you might have guessed by the inclusion of NFC in the name, that this device has NFC connectivity, but has other cool specs worthy of praise. The Poco X3 NFC has Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and a plastic back with a giant Poco logo on it with a large camera bump. It is 9.4mm thick and 215 grams in weight. The Poco X3 NFC is the first phone to come with Snapdragon 732G, which is about 10 to 15% faster than the Snapdragon 730G, and the company claims it is the most powerful Snapdragon 700 series 4G processor to date. It has a massive 6.67-inch Full HD Plus HDR10 LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate for smooth gaming. As the phone has a LCD display, so it has viewing angle problems, and also it's not going to be the brightest display, and the 120Hz refresh rate is usually found on expensive phones. There are 4 cameras on the back. A 64MP main camera with a Sony IMX682 sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide camera with 119° field of view, a 2MP macro camera which is for close-up shots, and a 2MP depth sensor which is for portrait photos. Mostly macro and depth sensors are just there to make the phone look like it has a quad camera setup. The selfie camera is 20MP and is housed in a hole punch display cutout. There are also many camera features like shoot steady video to artificially stabilize any clip, night mode, and slow motion. The Poco X3 NFC comes with a massive 5160 mAh battery and can be fast charged with powerful 33-watt charging. The company claims that the phone will charge 62% in just half an hour and full charge in 65 minutes. And the company also claims that the phone will give you 2 days of battery life on regular charge. The Poco X3 NFC comes with 33 watts of fast charging, and it ships with a proper 33-watt charger in the box. There is a USB Type-C port on the bottom and a 3.5mm headphone jack next to it. If you love listening to music or watches your videos on speaker, the Poco X3 NFC also offers a stereo speaker setup. It uses the AirPiece speaker and the other one is at the bottom of the phone. The Poco X3 NFC has liquid cooling technology 1.0 Plus that includes a copper heat pipe and a graphite sheet for effective internal cooling and heat dissipation. The Poco X3 NFC is IP53 certified for dust and splash protection. Aside from the obvious NFC from the name, other connectivity options also include Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.1, and a hybrid SIM slot. Poco X3 NFC has up to 256GB of micro SD card support, and the fingerprint sensor is on the side of the phone. The Poco X3 NFC comes with the latest MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Xiaomi has put many ads on the Poco X3 NFC software. If you don't like ads on your phone, you can disable the ads in the settings of the phone. Now let's talk about the main factor, the price. The Poco X3 NFC comes with 2 variants, 6GB 64G variant and 6GB 128G variant, and it comes in 2 colors, shadow grey and cobalt blue, and will cost €229 for the 6GB 64G variant and €269 for the 6GB 128G variant. So the Poco X3 NFC is an amazing price to performance phone with amazing battery, camera and display, and it is the best phone you can get under €250. So if you think I have missed something, write it down in the comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.